Hello, I want to read you a poem from my book, and it's called Write On. Book's called Write On. It's on Amazon, and the poem is called Not Today. I'm not coming quickly. I'll put up a fight. There'll be skin and fur flying. I'm still having fun. I still watch the rising sun, the dawn, the first breath of a new day. I'm still in awe of nature's riches. A roaring, angry sea tossing all who dare to sit upon it. Whirlwinds, sandstorms, volcanic happenings. The big changes during the day in a world that keeps rotating. On one side, folks are rising